Hello, I am Emma, and welcome to our South African Hemp Employment Awareness video by Edulis Cultivation. South Africa is a country that has been struggling with high unemployment rates for a very long time. The unemployment rate currently stands at an alarming 43.2%, with more than 11.4 million South African citizens unemployed. South Africa is filled with nearly 12 million able-bodied citizens who are more than willing to work. In fact, they are desperate for it. That is 12 million citizens standing at the ready every day with nowhere to go except for staying at home or wandering the city streets in search of jobs, resorting to crime and mayhem when no jobs are found. The good news is that the industrial hemp industry presents a tremendous opportunity to create jobs and stimulate economic growth. As we've said so many times before, industrial hemp is a versatile plant that can be used for a variety of products, including textiles, paper, construction materials, and even biofuels. With a properly functioning, regulated, and harmonized industry, it will be much easier for citizens to find jobs within the South African hemp industry. It is a lucrative cash crop that has the potential to create millions of jobs in South Africa. In fact, experts estimate that the industrial hemp industry could create up to 5 million jobs in the country by 2028. One of the main reasons why the industrial hemp industry has such great potential is that it is a rapidly growing market. The global market for industrial hemp is expected to reach $26.6 billion by the year 2025, and South Africa could easily tap into this market if it invests in the right infrastructure and regulations. There are several ways in which the industrial hemp industry could create jobs in South Africa. Firstly, farmers could grow the crop, creating jobs in the agricultural sector. Hemp is an easy crop to grow, and it does not require as much water or pesticides as traditional crops, making it a more sustainable option. Moreover, the demand for hemp is increasing globally, so farmers who grow it would have a reliable market for their product. Secondly, the processing of hemp into various products would create jobs in the manufacturing sector. Hemp can be processed into textiles, paper, biofuels, and many other products. This would create employment opportunities for people with different skill sets, from factory workers to scientists, chemists, and engineers. Lastly, there is the potential for the industrial hemp industry to create jobs in the retail sector. Once the products are produced, they need to be sold to customers, which would create jobs in the retail industry. Hemp can be used to produce a variety of products, including clothing, paper, and building materials, which could be sold in stores across the country. In conclusion, the industrial hemp industry presents a unique opportunity for South Africa to create jobs and stimulate economic growth. With the potential to create up to 5 million jobs, the industry could significantly reduce the country's high unemployment rate. As such, it is vital for the government to invest in the necessary infrastructure and regulations to support the growth of this industry. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button for more.